Seriously, water out here, like, it is deep as shit. And it just keep coming, and coming, and coming, and coming. We got some local news out here, along with myself. That shit is serious, like, as you can see, the water came all the way up to here. That's the debris that washed up from the river right there. All this yesterday was flooded out. Dang, I ain't never seen the water like this come through here, and I used to cut grass down the block. As you can see, they got trees out. They got trees down. People stuck down there, they can't get down there. Yesterday there were cars underwater. See? We earn our money here in Baltimore, don't matter what it is. We out there early. I got to see that shit. That's just crazy. Should go up there by the bridge part, but it's fucking